Okay guys, I'm just making this video to show you how to make sure that you are logged into your Houston ISD email when you are trying to get onto Google Drive. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Google Drive. All right, and when it opens up, you'll see you should see all of your items that you have. Now, if you go over here to the corner, you'll see I have an HISD Google account, but if I click here, there are some other emails that I have. So I have my JLE email, I have my another email, but I'm logged into my HoustonISD.org email account. Okay. Now, if I were to switch accounts, it would allow me to switch my account. See that? So now I am in as jlvteach@gmail.com. So to get back to my Houston ISD account, I would have to click it or log in. So if you guys, or you can actually see here at the bottom, there's add another account or sign out of all accounts. So if you are completing work on your Houston ISD computer, I suggest you sign out of all of your accounts and then you log back in with your Houston ISD email, and that way you can make sure that you are logged into the correct account. If you try to access something from a different account, so like this is my Gmail account, if I try to access something from Houston ISD account, it will block me, okay, because I'm not in that organization. So if you want to make sure, so to make sure that you are signed into your right account, go over here and click this circle right next to the Google Apps, and you can pick which account that you're supposed to be in. So if you're getting, oh, you need to request access or you don't have permission, that means you are not logged into your Houston ISD account and you need to do that. Okay? Please text me with any questions. Thank you. Bye.